A Kind of Magic is provided by Wayne Dobson in 45 minutes after we go to Cannon and Ball's Casino.
Appearing at the casino tonight, Fuzzbox, Rob Newman and Paul Young. Will you welcome your hosts, Tommy Cannon and Bobby Ball?
To Casino, where tonight we're in for a great load of fun. I'll tell you what we've got, right? We've got prizes, we've got... All right. What's all this? Hey, what are you doing?
What?
What's that? What are you doing?
Wait a minute.
What's the matter with you? What are you doing?
All that.
All that? What is it? Oh, come on, will you? What's all this nonsense, man? Get off it.
Somebody's nicked the coat. Somebody's nicked it. I found this in dressing room.
Nicked it?
Yeah, I found it.
What's that? What's that? What is it? What is that?
I think it's Paul Daniels. Sit.
You know, I dread to think what you're going to pull out of there next. Hey, you're surely not going to wear this, are you?
You must be joking, Tommy. I'm not spoiling my street cred for nobody. Trevor, can I have my coat? Thanks, Trev.
Trevor?
Yeah, it's Trevor, this. It's all right, isn't it? Steady, Trev, steady, Trev, steady.
Trevor?
Steady, Trev. See you, Trev.
Trev?
Look after yourself, Trev. That's my mate, Trev. That's my mate, Trev.
You don't mean Big Butch Trev?
That's him,
Well, whatever happened to him?
I warned him not to touch that magic wand.
Oh, Jim. Let's say hello to the contestants. Come on.
I'll tell you, this is rugby days are over.
Alison and Jonathan, welcome to Casino. Tell us where you're from.
Well, we're from Hale in Cornwall. I work as a chef in a hotel in St Ives.
Yeah.
My hobbies, I play football for a local side, enjoy most all sports.
You really?
And I enjoy horse riding and swimming, and we have a little son called Matthew, who's 2, and I'm a nurse.
Are you a nurse?
Yes.
I've always fancied myself as a bit of a male nurse, you know what I mean?
You, a male nurse? You couldn't dress salad.
Shall we move on?
Julie and Stuart, welcome to Casino. Hope you're going to have a lovely evening. Tell us a little bit about yourselves.
We're from Inverurie in Aberdeenshire.
Sorry?
So where?
Inverurie in Aberdeenshire.
Inverurie?
Oh, see you, nurse, see you, nurse, see.
I'm a home help with a daughter, Debbie. Hi, Debs.
I'm a quality control inspector for an animal farm, and I've no hobbies, but I like watching all sports.
You really?
Yeah.
Do you know the difference between a Scotsman and a canoe?
Yeah. No.
A canoe tips.
Moving on. Liz and Nigel, welcome to Casino. Tell us where you're from and your hobbies.
We're from Bradford.
Bradford?
Yeah.
Oh, aye, Bradford. Oh, aye, Bradford, aye.
And I work for Airedale Health Authority.
Oh, aye.
Got 2 children, Nicholas and Cara.
Aye.
And I enjoy aerobics and socialising.
Aye.
Shut up.
I enjoy golf and squash, and I'm a fireman at Bingley Fire Station.
Are you a fireman? We've a belting fire station in Oldham, us.
We have, actually.
Have we?
Oh, yeah.
We've 2 fire engines, us. One with an engine, one without an engine.
What's the one without an engine for?
False alarms.
Yes. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, give the contestants a big round of applause.
Enjoy yourself.
Right. I'm going to explain the game for you because I went to Open University.
It was shut when he got there.
For me. 8 categories are displayed on the video wall. The wall spins like a fruit machine, leaving 1 category displayed. The right-hand column will tell you how much each question is worth. It's that simple.
But before we start, this is the best part of the show because it's decision time, and now you've got to make your mind up what prize you're going to play for if you're lucky enough to get through to our last game, which is Crack the Safe.
10 Tell them.
Hey?
Prizes.
Oh, aye. And the prizes on offer tonight are...
£4,000 in cash.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Or this luxury 14-day holiday in St. Lucia with absolutely everything paid for, including all leisure activities and drinks.
Whoa. All right, come on. Hey. And just to top it off, we have this fabulous 5-door Vauxhall Astra 1.2 Merit. Alison and Jonathan, you've got to nominate the prize you're going to play for.
Car.
The car.
The
You're
car.
going for the car?
Okay.
You're going for the car, brilliant.
All right.
We'll have to turn the clock back.
Shut up.
Julian Stewart, what are you going for?
The car.
The car as well?
Oh, well. Liz and Nigel.
We'll make it unanimous. We'll go for the car as well.
All for the car.
You're all going for the car. Well, you're really battling tonight, aren't you?
Fantastic.
None of them get it, because I don't like any of them. No.
Hey, that's enough of that. You all know what you're playing for, OK? Tell you what we'll do. We'll try to win you some more cash.
Tommy, stop wittering. Let's just play the game. Let's play casino.
OK.
That is a spot prize as well. And your spot prize is a 650-watt microwave oven.
Oh.
So you're playing for a microwave oven and £70 on science. The solid form of which gas is called dry ice? Yes, Alison and Jonathan.
Nitrogen.
No, I can offer this. The solid form of which gas is called... Yes, Julian Stewart.
Ether.
Sorry?
Ether.
The solid form of which gas is called dry ice, it's a gas breathed out by humans, is carbon dioxide. Let's play the wall.
It's potluck for £90. Which Greek god's name, spelt backwards, makes the name of the waterway connect? Julian Stewart.
Zeus.
Correct. Well played.
Wonderful.
Hit the ball.
It's crime for £40. Which brothers jailed in 1960? Yes, Alison and Jonathan.
Oh, Cray twins.
Correct, you clever dick. Let's spin the wall.
Well played.
Spot prize, spot prize, spot prize.
Shut up, they know it's a spot prize.
Sorry, I just get excited, Tom.
And this is a 6-inch portable colour TV. So
It's
you're
about
playing...
that big. Sorry.
Have you seen the prize? Now, you're playing for £40 and the portable colour TV. The overture to Rossini's opera, William Tell, has become widely known as the signature tune. Alison,
The Lone Ranger.
Correct! Well played! Hit the ball!
It's famous people for £80. Come on, Liz and Nigel, you need a bit of something, you know what I mean? Which expert xylophone player and amateur cricketer became famous as an astronomer by presenting The Sky at Night? Yes, Alison and Jonathan.
Patrick Moore.
Correct.
Well played.
Let's play the wall.
This is art for £100.
£100.
Liz and Nigel, you could well do with this now. Come on.
This.
Which English painter's works include The Hay Wain? Alison and John.
Constable.
Correct. Spin the wall.
It's potluck for £70. Potluck for £70. On February the 11th, 1990, who left Victor Versa prison near Cape Town after 20... Alison and Jonathan.
Nelson Mandela.
Correct.
Boy.
Let's play the wall.
Yeah, right on that button. Money for £100.
For £100.
Come on, Liz and Nigel. Here we go. what do we call the specially minted coins that the Queen gives out? Julian Stewart.
Monday money.
Correct. Spin the wall.
It's TV and radio for £50. In which American crime series did singer Sheena Easton appear? Yes, Alison and Jonathan.
Miami Vice.
Correct.
Well played.
Let's play it again.
Time up. Time up. Well played, everybody. Bobby, give us the scores.
Well, Liz and Nigel have done really well. They've got nothing. Julie and Stuart have got £190, but in the lead is Alison and Jonathan, who play very well with £380.
Right. Liz and Nigel, unfortunately, we've got to lose you. Come on down here. Our commiserations. You've won nothing, but have you enjoyed yourself on Casino?
Yes, we've had a lovely day. Thanks.
Well, that's all that matters then, isn't it? Yeah. Well, Mr. Fireman, we've got to put you out now. So, but no, we have to do but your taxi hasn't come yet. So I'll tell you what to do. Sit there, enjoy the rest of the show, and have a drink with us. Have a bottle of champagne. Somebody get these a bottle of champagne to have a drink with, right? And I'll join you for a drink after.
Lovely.
Tommy won't come because he's a teetotal.
I am not.
You'd have thought so, way they get the rounds in.
Ladies and gentlemen, give him a lovely round of applause. Fabulous.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is my honour now to introduce to you 4 very sexy all-girl group, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I know. One of them fancies me.
You what?
Yeah. Shh. One of them fancies me.
What makes you think that?
Oh, I can tell, you know, the way she keeps staring at me.
Aye. You know why, don't you?
Why?
Have a look down. Ladies and gentlemen, Fuzzbox!
Why didn't you tell me?
You're looking for them, not mine.
Idiot.
Thank you very much, Gearbox.
It's not gearbox, it's Fuzzbox. Gearbox is something that gets you going.
Have you looked at them girls?
After that, ladies and gentlemen, a little culture.
Yes.
A love sonnet.
Sorry, my cock up, my cock up.
A love sonnet by Alfie Tennyson. Oh. King of the Khyber Rifles.
Khyber Rifles.
The gay young Morris dancers called on the band to play.
They all came out and minced about, and now they're queens of the May. Woohoo!
On that note, we'll take a break. Every night we do it. Thank you, and welcome back. Now to see whether our two remaining couples can win some more cash.
Well, Julian Stewart, you've got £190, but Alison and Jonathan, you've got £380.
Very nice.
Now, there's two couples left, and at the end of this round, one of you couples has to go. I mean, personally, I want you all to win. I want you all to win, but Tommy, he's a very, very nice man. Tommy's a very, very nice man. So you have everything to play for now, everything.
The next game is played against the clock. You have 1 minute each to guess as many items as you can from clues given to you by me and from mimes and actions from the Poison Dwarf.
Shut it, shut it, shut it.
Now, each correct answer is worth £30. So if you get stuck or you don't know, say pass, move on, anything, because we want you to win as much money as you can, OK? Lovely.
All right, Julian Stewart, we'll start with you, because you're not very good. We'll start with you, right? If you can catch up here, you can really do it. Now, all the items you have to guess are sporting terms. Do you understand? Sporting terms. Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Then your minute starts now.
Football.
Super.
Correct!
Yeah.
Correct! Minute.
Tommy.
No.
Cannon.
Yes, correct! This is cricket. It's cricket.
Leg forward.
What's he doing?
Leg over.
On a banana skin.
Slip.
Correct, correct.
I'm not doing shuttlecock.
All right. What's it? Yeah, pinch.
Punch.
Punch.
Yeah, it's baseball.
Pitcher.
What?
Puncher. Pitcher.
No, pinch.
Pitcher.
Pinch.
Pinch.
Pinch. Go on, I'm getting bruised here. Pinch. Pass.
It is.
It's wrestling.
Wrestling. Nelson. Half Nelson.
Yes, correct. Cricket. He's pointing.
Point.
He's pointing, but he's what's it? No, quick. Pass.
Silly point, silly
Correct,
point.
silly point.
Fly.
Fly.
Yes.
Blind fly.
No, fly.
Fly half.
Yes, correct.
Well
Time up. Well played. Julian Stewart, that takes your score to £340.
I hate this flaming game, mate. I hate this flaming game,
What's up with you?
I put my back out last week with this.
I tried to think what you're going to put out this week.
Alice and Jonathan, right? You saw what we played, didn't you?
Yes.
Right, so are you ready?
Yep.
All the things you're guessing are the same thing, sporting terms. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Your minute starts now.
It's golf.
OK, Blue Eyes.
Cowboy.
Picking his nose.
Not.
Bogey, correct.
Mince.
This is rugby.
Rugby.
Lady at night. She works at night.
Fly half.
Pro.
No,
Fly half.
she works
Prop.
at night.
Prop forward.
He's in the middle. Two blokes hold him up. Pass. Right.
Hooker.
Wrestling this.
Bum.
Bum.
Bum face.
No.
Bum.
Bum.
Cross.
bum.
Cross face.
Cross.
Cross.
Cross bum.
Cross bottom.
Cross
No.
bottom.
What did he say? What?
Cross bottom.
No.
Bottom.
Cross.
Yes.
Cheek.
Cross what?
Cross bottom.
No. Pass. It's gone.
Fly.
It's
Fly.
gone.
Birdie.
Birdie. Correct. Okay, come on.
Free.
It's gone.
Cock. Leg. Dog.
Dog leg.
Dog leg.
Dog leg. Yes, correct. Jonathan. That takes your score to £470.
Right, Julian Stewart, you've got £340, but still in the lead is Alison and Jonathan with £470.
Wait, tell you.
Julian Stewart, come on.
That was fantastic, Julian Stewart. I tell you what, you did really well, but you were up against a good couple tonight, you know. I mean, you've won £340, which is fabulous.
It's not bad, is it?
Super day.
Good.
You've had a super.
A super day.
Listen, I've never said this before to anybody, but you were my favourite couple, you know.
You say that to everybody.
Shut up, Tommy, nobody's heard me before. I think you're very beautiful. And she got lovely eyes.
She has got lovely eyes.
I love the green one best.
Oh, yeah. Come on. Give him a big round of applause. Great success.
Have some champagne on the table.
Thank you. Now to meet a great comedy impressionist.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rob Newman.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, and welcome everybody, my crazy English fans, to the best show in the whole world. Of course, Rapido. Actually, I come from Sunderland, but one day I take too much amphetamine, et voila, I talk like this. And what is more, my arms fell off. All right, well, hello and welcome to the last result. All right. All right. And, all right. Well, I'll flab. All right. And the producer said to me, Ronnie, he said to me, Ronnie, as he does quite often, Ronnie. This man a very limited conversation. Now, I should explain, in case you're thinking, let's face it, if you're watching this, you'll probably not. You're going at this, disappearing into my watching. This isn't the joke. This isn't the joke which we've been doing every week for 22 years of the two Ronnies, Well, for many people, I am the only true James Bond, and there is presently a campaign afoot to have me reinstated as James Bond, but I think there may be a few problems caused by my age. Okay, 007, what you do is you sit in here, you strap yourself in, press the button, and the whole thing just takes off. I see him, and what's it called? It's a Ronco's stair lift. Here's goddamn Jack over there. Crazy action going on all the goddamn time here. I earn so much goddamn money, my voice sounds like a gold detector.